We back, another sneaker review, another pair of Forum 84 lows. Today we got the Pine Green, I believe they call it. That's the exact green, Pine Green, wild green. It's Pine Green. Now this pair released April 1st, and by the time these came out, I was already pretty much all in on these. I already had a few pairs, and I was waiting for these, and I got them, and they did not disappoint. Okay, let's get into these details. Start off with the toe box. You know, soft, pretty good quality for what it is. The price, as you see, you know, a little bit of pull in there. Here we got that different grade of leather, more on the, get a little closer, more on the synthetic side, all around the front. You know, this quality of leather is the same as ones here, right by the tongue. You know, we also have a different grade of leather here, running all across the back and on the strap. And this leather here is pretty good. You know, like I said on the other videos, it's in between this and this. This is the best leather on the shoe. That's why I always like to highlight it. You know, this is the same grade right here, very soft. This one, not as soft, but still pretty good. And this one is kind of cheap. You know, they couldn't go all the way in. It's only $100 at the end of the day. Take a look at the 3 stripes. Got that hairy suede, like that. You know, we got suede running all across the back, and to the side. You got that webbing. Digging that. Take a look at this. This is what you know, get into the tongue. Take a look at the tongue. We got that mesh tongue, similar to like a Jordan 1 tongue. Pretty cool, decent. We got regular white strings, regular white shoelace. Doesn't come with the cream laces like the OGs. OG cream laces would definitely look good on this. Look at the midsole, off-white, cream. Yeah, see, it looks good. You know what I'm saying? The off-white with this regular bright-ass white comes off real well. Outsole, it's like a hunter. And now let's highlight the color. You know, the greens, because this has about 3, I don't know if you could tell from pictures or whatever, but this has about 3 types of green in the shoe. You know, it's officially wild pine green, but this here is like a hunter green on the bottom, a hunter forest green. Really digging that green. Here, this is like the lightest green. This is more like this is almost kind of like a olive. It's like an olive here. It's like an olive type of green. To be honest, this has really like 4 different types of greens. It's the hunter. This is the olive, like the sock liner, and this part is like an olive. This part is more like a light olive, and this is like a different kind of green. This is more like, I don't even know what kind of hue it is exactly, but this is like more of a grassy type of green. It's not too dark, but it works together well. Me personally, I would have liked it better if it was more hunter green, but you know, there's other things that you could get in hunter green. Overall, I think it works well. Take a look at the bottom of the shoe. Yeah, man. Clean. Rocking with these. Where would I rank them? Among the Forum 84s, all of them, I would say my favorite pair is probably the OG lows, to be honest, out of all of them. Then the highs, then probably these, followed by the Bad Bunny ones, then the Orbit Gray. I have another pair too, the Haze pair. I'm gonna do a video to that. You know, I'll probably do a video with all of them and just do a big comparison. You know, just to anybody who's thinking of just going all in on these joints, like I did. Now let's close up on the shoe right here. Seems like as far as QC goes, quality control issues, I ordered these straight from Adidas, and yeah, they pretty much got a blemish. If you can see right there, it's like a circle, and it's like, it has like a black mark too, you know? They kind of did me dirty. They did me dirty. Let me get up close on that. You can see it, you feel me? Let the autofocus catch that, you know what I'm saying? You can see it, it's like a circle. It's like a circle here, and it's like dented in. And I ain't gonna lie, it looks ugly. It looks ugly. When I first opened them, I got them in the mail. I opened them and I looked at them and I just kind of threw them back in the box. Now, as far as sizing goes, size down. You know, that's my recommendation on all of them. Size down, and these are no different. To give you a point of reference, I'm a size 9 in true to size 9 in Nikes, size 9 in Air Maxes, Jordan 1s, and I'm an 8.5 in Air Force 1s. So I pretty much went with my Air Force 1 size for these, and you should be good. Now my thoughts overall, I mean, you already know, I'm fucking with them. You know what I mean? Green is just dope. It's good to have in your rotation. Even though I got green kicks. I got hunter green joints too, but I don't got nothing that's green and plain like this. Well, actually I do. You know, I should do a video on what I got, because the pair that I got is a pair of felines, and I don't think, I haven't seen no one do a video on them. But yeah, these is dope, man. Bring them up right here. These is dope, man. Like, solid purchase. I don't know what y'all think. Leave a comment down below. Do you got any pairs? You know, are you on the fence? Did this video make you want to purchase, or did this video be like, nah, these ain't for me, I gotta stay far the fuck away from them? You know, let me know. And at the same time, hit that like and hit that subscribe.